The risks and rewards of anthropomorphizing in hospitality. When AI seems human. Today, we'll discuss the delicate balance hotels must strike when using AI to interact with guests. The main risk is that AI, no matter how advanced, cannot truly understand human emotions and subtle cues like an experienced staff member can. Most guests prefer AI to be helpful and efficient, not deceptively human. If an AI system's personality is overpromised, it can lead to disappointment and a breakdown of trust when the AI can't handle complex, emotional situations. When used transparently, giving AI human-like qualities, anthropomorphizing, can be a strategic advantage. Systems that feel approachable, as opposed to rigid chatbots, are preferred by guests. In fact, guests are more likely to accept upsell suggestions if they are relevant and well-timed. Using AI can improve efficiency, such as by answering calls quickly to boost reservation rates. To avoid the risks and maximize the rewards, we suggest several best practices for hotels. First, be transparent. Guests should know from the start that they are interacting with an AI. Introduce the AI clearly. Give the AI a name and state its role. For instance, "Hi, I'm Annette, the virtual hotel agent. I can help you with questions." Avoid emotional manipulation. Don't have the AI express emotions that suggest genuine feelings. Also, maintain a consistent tone. The AI's voice should be professional but warm, aligning with the hotel's brand. Finally, provide an easy way to escalate. Guests should be able to quickly connect with a live person for complex issues. In an industry with a growing labor shortage, AI is a powerful tool for hotels to improve guest interactions. However, its success depends on a combination of clarity and authenticity. By being transparent about the AI's nature and providing fast, helpful, and relevant responses, hotels can build trust, enhance guest loyalty, and better compete with online travel agencies. Visit traveloutlook.com/Annette today for more information on how Travel Outlook and Annette the virtual hotel agent can transform your hotel's operations.